Let's take a look at the imperfect tense formation rules. No matter what conjugation you have, again, you're going to be using these same personal endings. Bom, bos, bot, bomus, botus, bont. Now, really, we have a tense sign here. BA is a tense sign that indicates the imperfect tense, meaning we're supposed to translate something using keywords in English such as was or were, or sometimes even used to. Remember that personal endings tell you who's doing the action. So if your verb ends in bom, you know I was doing the action. If it's bamus, we were doing the action. Let's take a look at a couple of these conjugations. For first, second, and third conjugation, the rules are pretty simple. Notice first conjugation, are is your infinitive ending, long ere for the second conjugation, and short ere for the third conjugation. These will all follow the same rules and have the same formation in regards to your vowels, which vowels you're using. So amo, amare, amawi, amatus, to love. This is our first conjugation verb. It's pretty easy to find your base. You simply take off the re and you're left with ama. You do this for first, second, or third conjugation. So if you had tenere, your base would be tene, T-E-N-E. If you had ponera, your base would be pone, P-O-N-E. Okay, you just simply take off the re of whatever your second principal part is. Then you add your personal endings. Bom, bos, bot, bomus, botus, and bont. Now you've been able to accurately conjugate an imperfect tense verb. Amabam means I was loving. Amabamus, we were loving. Amabas, you were loving. Amabatis, y'all were loving. And amabat, he was loving, or she or it. And amabant, they were loving. And another translation you can use is used to. So I used to love. Imperfect tense means something is a continuous past action. Okay, it's not a simple completed action and it's not happening now. A continuous past action. Let's take a look at a fourth conjugation and a third IO conjugation for the imperfect tense. Remember that third IOs look like third conjugation because they have a short ERE, but their first principal part has an IO like the fourth. So these are going to form the same way when it comes to the imperfect tense. Let's start out again with our principal parts. We're going to go to our second principal part, take off the RE to find our base. Now, what do you notice? We've added an E all the way throughout to our base, and you do this for both third IOs and fourth. Then add your endings, bom, bos, bot, bomus, botus, and bont. Al die bom, I was hearing or I used to hear. Al die bos, you were hearing. Al die bot, he was hearing, and so on.